Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we'll cover how to utilize filters in the Activity Center. Filters offer endless possibilities to streamline the Activity Center to your preferences. To get started, click on the Filters button on the toolbar. A list of standard filters will appear, allowing you to group and categorize activities by status, assignees, dates, and much more. If you need more filter options, click the plus button to toggle additional filters. You will see a list of both native as well as custom fields, which you can use to slice and dice the data. You can search for any specific field or variable using the search functionality here. Once you have the view you like, you can save and share it by clicking the options at the top. If you want to reset everything and get a full overview, simply click the eraser icon to clear all filters. For more tips on how to use Birdview, be sure to check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.